Next thing that we want to focus is on one-to-many relation. So basically, we have one-to-many relation between book and publisher. A publisher can have many books. And in order to set that up, we have model builder again, and we will work on the entity that has navigation property with the foreign key. So foreign key is inside the book class here, so entity will be books, and there has one. So first we are saying that books has one publisher, but publisher with many books. That means publisher can have many books, and then we define the foreign key. Let me switch back to the application, and we do not want the book detail now. We want to open publisher. I will uncomment the list of Fluent books, and in Fluent book, I will uncomment publisher, navigation property, and the foreign key. We do not need the foreign key data annotation. We will remove that, and we will be working on the Fluent_book entity. So we will say model builder dot entity will be Fluent_book, and there we will say book has one publisher, so u goes to u dot publisher, but that publisher can have many books, so with many, and we'll say u goes to u dot books. On there we have the has foreign key constraint. Let me break that down. And when we are working with one-to-many relation, we cannot define what will be the class that will have foreign key, because there will always be only one class that has the foreign key. Like in publisher, we will never have the book_id. It will always be inside book, because we want publishers to have many books. But when we were working with one-to-one relation, I did show you that we can add the foreign key in either book detail or the book table. So there we have to be explicit about the class that has the foreign key. But here it automatically knows which class has the foreign key, and here we only have to write the property name, which is publisher ID. With that, let me add a new migration, add Fluent_ one-to-many relation between book and publisher. Let me see what happens here. It adds a new column with the name of publisher ID on Fluent books that is valid, and it adds the foreign key and creates the index. Perfect. So let me update the database, and let me examine the diagram here. And perfect, we have one-to-one, and between Fluent book and publisher we have one-to-many. Things are coming along great. Now in the next video, we will understand many-to-many relation. But I hope one-to-many makes sense. We have books that has one publisher, and that publisher can have many books. With that configured, let me continue from the next video.